ETS, Shenzhen Yichuangxi Technology Co. Limited, was established in 2013 in Shenzhen City, Fuyang Town, Bao, and District. Our company owns an area of 3,000 square meters with professionals in not only design but also development, manufacture, sales, and after-sales services. We introduce advanced technology from Europe, America, Japan, and Korea, and develop ETS independently. We have a professional team with more than 10 years of experience in the research and development of automation equipment. We have developed and manufactured high-speed multi-functional special-shaped plug-in machines, automatic visual inspection machines, and ICT, FCT online detection equipment, automatic production lines. We specialize in providing non-standard customized products for the electronic industry, such as power sources, lead, household appliances, etc. To produce products that satisfy customers is always the unswerving pursuit of ETS. Adhering to the business philosophy of quality first, service first, honesty-oriented, and credible-oriented, our goal is to become a real international benchmark enterprise of automatic production equipment.